Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm making slow cooker pulled beef. I'm using brisket for this recipe, though I prefer chuck roast, which I had ordered for delivery, but the brisket came as a substitute. Please stick around to the end to see how this turns out. I start by removing some of the fat from the meat. For moist and juicy pulled beef, ensure that you don't remove all the fat. If you do, your meat will be dry. I now rinse the beef and pat it dry with paper towels and make deep cuts on the top side of the meat. These cuts will help get the seasoning into the meat, ensuring that the meat is well seasoned throughout. I cut a large onion, spread it at the bottom of the slow cooker and place the meat on top. At this point, I add the spices and seasoning. I'm using vegeta, paprika, mixed herbs, garlic powder, black pepper, and you can use any liquid stock of your choice. However, I used water. I cooked this on low for 8 to 10 hours. The meat is now cooked. If the meat is not soft enough, let it cook for another hour or two. At this point, it is ready to shred. I use 2 forks to do this. Once I'm done shredding, I transfer the pulled beef into a bowl and pour the broth into a separate dish. Then I add a little of the broth onto the meat. This will help keep the meat moist when it's reheated. I will use the broth to make some gravy, which I plan to record as well. This was meant to be for dinner, but since it wasn't cooked in time for dinner, I decided to use it for sandwiches, which turned out so good. If you'd like to follow my simple recipes, remember to subscribe and turn on your notifications. Thanks for watching and bye for now.